I am terrible at giving gifts. Generally, I wait till the last minute, then end up buying something unremarkable. Hopefully you're not like me, but if you are, here are 5 gift ideas to put your wood turning talent and skills to use to make customized gifts for your family and friends that they will love for years to come. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video for a bonus gift idea. Our first gift idea are custom pens. Even in this electronic world we live in, everyone needs a nice pen from time to time. Pens come in a variety of different shapes and sizes, like this kind of classic designer pen that I've got here, but we can also get pen kits for different hobbies, for sports, for different occupations. Not to mention just the different pen kits, we can also use different materials. We can use wood, we can use acrylics, we can use other materials, we can add shape, color. The design features and customization are endless. I used maple and walnut in this pen just to make it very unique. If you want to see how this pen was made, you can check out the video right here and it'll take you through a step-by-step process. We'll include links to pen kits and other supplies in the description below to help you with your research. Our second gift idea is a seam ripper. This is a little more specific for the sewing lovers in your life, but they'll love having a nice custom tool made just for them. Now this one is a double-bladed seam ripper. You can also make these with just a single blade, and they also have a couple options that are actually a necklace. I used an acrylic pen blank on this seam ripper just for that extra splash of color. If you'd like to see step-by-step instructions, including polishing this acrylic, you can find the video right here. If you'd like free printable instructions for all of these projects today, you can find links in the description below. Our third gift idea is a seam roller. This is another great gift for the sewing lovers in your life, especially if they are quilters. Like the seam ripper and pens, there are a lot of different ways we can customize these for the person we're giving them to. And what's better than a special tool made just for you? This project does need a slightly larger blank, so you'll probably end up using wood, but you can get really creative with the customization. If you want to see the step-by-step process, you can watch the video right here. We'll change the pace a little bit for our fourth gift idea, a bottle opener keychain. These bottle openers add a little class to your keychain and yet keep you ready for the next tailgate or holiday party. You can go wild customizing these bottle openers because they don't use much material. I used paint pens to finish this one in the colors of one of our family's favorite teams. You can see that video right here. Our fifth gift idea is a unique one. It's an iPhone or mobile phone stand. Everyone seems to have a smartphone these days, so your iPhone power users will love this gift. Whether you're using FaceTime, Zoom, or Teams for video calls, or just watching YouTube videos, this small, convenient little accessory is a gift your family and friends will love. There's a small adjustable phone clamp down here at the bottom that you engage by twisting the stylus in. That allows you to use this phone stand with a wide variety of different phones. I used a layered pigment and stain technique to customize this phone stand, and you can see that in the video right here. Here's the bonus gift idea as promised, a combination salt shaker and pepper mill. These are great gifts for the aspiring chef in your life, and they're a great way to bring a little extra touch of elegance to your dining room table or your kitchen. These are perfect gifts for the hosts of your holiday parties. And much like the pens mentioned previously, there are different versions of salt shakers and pepper mills that you can create. This is a little bit more of an involved project, and if you want to see step-by-step instructions, you can find that here. Good luck on all your holiday gift giving. I'd love to see your finished project, so feel free to add your pictures in the comments section. And while you're at it, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can come back and review this video very easily.